This motorhome is the Ahorn T590 Plus. It is around 65,000 euros or thereabouts, and I'm going to tell you all about it in 3 minutes or less. Now, this vehicle has a bed at the top, and down here you can also make a bed here as well around this very large table if you wanted to. You can see it's an L shape in the semi dinette, and here we have a side bed. And to here there is a toilet and shower, which, you know, it's in a 6-meter vehicle, so I suppose we can't expect too much. And to the side of that there is a wardrobe. Now, the kitchen comes with a rather large storage area. Could have done with a shelf though. Very sensible square shaped sink with domestic drainage. 3 burners. In here we've got a sink. It's not a sink, a fridge, and there's storage under there as well. Now, this vehicle also possesses storage under the bed, but the garage is really quite small. You can get a bit of stuff down there, though you get more of a cover to it. Fortunately, there is cover on the storage here and here. So it's 6 meters at its wide, 6 meters long, 296 high, and has a width of 234. So this vehicle here is on the Renault base, as you can see from there, and I'll just take you around the side as well, just to demonstrate that the garage isn't all that big here in the back. So if you're looking for more storage, then with this you're not really going to get it. So look at that, you've got that part, it's part of the bed that's in there, so it comes with tools, and through there, that door, one finds the boiler. Now, I've done a longer video on this vehicle, which you might also want to see. There'll be a link to it below, and there's also hopefully more information in the description. Now, I wanted to do that under 3 minutes. I think I have done. So thanks very much for watching.